Hi, thanks for finding this video. Here we'll talk about how to build an Arduino setup that allows you to press a button and trigger a camera picture. Here we see the Arduino Interactive Development Environment, or the Arduino editor, and we're finding that there is no serial connection shown to the editor. So we need to plug in the Arduino device. Arduinos retain their code even without power. Looking back at the editor, we see that there's activity in the serial monitor window. The activity is the Arduino Nano booting itself up and preparing its code for its function. Now we get to press the button, and we see more activity in the window. Let's take a closer look. The code is reporting on what it's doing. The temp variable shows that there was a proper return from the test in the camera, and we see that the SPI interface is okay. SPI is the serial port interface. Knowing that it can communicate with the camera, the code is set to format, initialized, and then stopped, waiting for a button press. When the button is pressed, the code shows that it's starting the camera capture. The large number is the loop count of the Arduino Nano. It is so large because the Nano doesn't actually stop. It must continually loop, waiting to hear the button press. So the code ran without error. Now we can go back and check to see that the serial port is actually shown in the Arduino configuration. We don't see a board here because we were using the editor's serial monitor to listen to the Arduino Nano code as it ran. Up in the top left, you can see that the editor does know which Arduino it's talking to. Here's the pin mapping for the Arduino Cam Mini to the Arduino Nano. ChatGPT is an excellent place to find out how to do many of these things and even to get wiring diagrams. The wiring diagram may seem complex at first, but it turns out that the connection from Arduino boards to Arduino devices is actually very similar between devices. To get started, find yourself an Arduino kit on Amazon and then go through its tutorial. There are also many videos that you can find describing various kinds of devices. If you'd like to know more about what we do, please look at the Sacramento L5 Society website, and you will find more details of our Arduino projects and how we are attempting to build a device that we will fly on a balloon to take pictures of the Earth from 100,000 feet. Now, one more thing. Why didn't I show the picture that the camera took? Well, it's important in any engineering project to develop working prototypes. I'm hoping that this camera device is working properly because I got no errors from the Arduino code. However, the next step is to save the serial bit stream from the camera onto an SSD card, which will give me an image file which I can then display on my computer. Thanks for watching, and please visit our website.